Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie. I post health and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you're interested in, consider hitting that red button and subscribing and watching some of my past videos. That would be awesome. But today I want to share with you guys a lasagna recipe. In my previous and last video of what I ate in a day, I had a lasagna in there, and Karen B on here asked me to do a recipe for it. So thank you, Karen, for suggesting that, and on to the recipe. Let's go.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.
Alright guys, that is the recipe. It's honestly so simple, so easy. You could put lentils in there, you could put your favorite beans in there, you could put maybe some mock meats, like ground beef or something. You could just make it so versatile as long as you have some marinara, red sauce, lasagna, whether it's green lentil pasta lasagna or whether it's a regular whole wheat lasagna. Like the actual noodles, it really doesn't matter. And then add your favorite veggies, add your favorite toppings, make the ricotta cheese, and you're good to go. Like, how cool is that? That it is so quick and easy to make a lasagna. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some other suggestions. I'd love to hear them. And I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys.